Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. The Turtle module in Python is a great tool for beginners to learn programming concepts through visual representation. It allows you to create drawings using a turtle that moves around the screen. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Turtle module to draw lines and circles. To start using the Turtle module, you need to import it at the beginning of your Python script. Next, you need to create a turtle object that will be used to draw on the screen. You can do this by calling the turtle function. Now, let's see how to draw a line using the turtle. You can use the forward method to move the turtle forward by a specified distance. For example, to draw a line of length 100 pixels, you can write. To draw a circle, you can use the circle method, which takes the radius of the circle and an optional angle as arguments. For example, to draw a circle with a radius of 50 pixels, you can write. To see the drawing on the screen, you need to call the turtle.done function at the end of your script. Here is a complete example that draws a line and a circle using the Turtle module. You can run this script in your Python environment to see the turtle drawing a line and a circle on the screen. Feel free to experiment with different commands and create more complex drawings using the Turtle module.